What's up, guys? It's your girl Brooklyn Janae. I'm so excited. I don't know why I'm so excited. I'm so excited. Okay, y'all. So today is gonna be a cute little quick vlog. Today, me and my doggy are going to the Puppy Fest. Say hi, mommy. So we're going to the Puppy Fest. We literally just got here. We just parked. She is like begging to get out. Do you want to wear a dress or no? I know it's hot, but you look really pretty. Okay, so y'all, they have a check-in. They got music going. This is the best Puppy Fest I've ever experienced. Let me make sure I have like y'all, this is ridiculously cute. This is the cutest thing I've ever experienced. Okay, mommy, this is so exciting. Are you excited? I think I'm more excited than you. I think they have like puppy shots for them to take. Well, we're definitely gonna go to Starbucks after this because we gotta get you your pup cup, and I need my strawberry acai. Mommy, can you wait a second? Stop! Before you knock the. You're gonna knock everything over. I know. I'm trying to hurry up. We were supposed to get here an hour ago. I literally overslept. I'm thinking I should change my top. This one looks a little wrinkled. It's a flowy crop top. Hold on, mommy. Oh my gosh, you are so excited. Okay, y'all, let's go into the Puppy Fest. Oh wait, let me make sure I got my ticket too. She is literally so excited. They have the puppy check-in, y'all. This is so cute. Hi, check-in is this way?
Yeah, it's gonna be the main table right in the middle.
Okay, thank you. Thank you. No, I know you're so excited, but wait a second.
Cool, I got another question.
Let's do the orange.
These giveaways away.
I'll put it on this hand. Thank you.
What's your name?
Is there? Oh, thank
Hey,
you.
nice to meet you. My name is Steve.
Do the dogs get laced too? These are actually for the dogs. Oh, I thought it was for me.
I can give you a human size
All right, cool. Ready for this
Yes,
one?
let's do that, and I'll get one for Nola.
We're friends from
Papa.
iHeartRadio. So you want to make sure you're here at 12 o'clock.
No?
Tickets
I'd
to
rather
music.
her come to me.
Midtown. There's some major headlines.
You're the waiter dog. Where's the waiter dog?
Okay, guys. There you go. Y'all, Nola is having the best time. You have them. Get some water. It's a warm one out today, y'all. Like, it's super, super hot, but she's having a time with this pup cup. Get you some water, mommy. They got the little doggy swimming pools, walking through the misty areas. It's so cute. Just get that.
Hey, you want water?
Huh? No? Thank you. You don't want no water, Nola? Okay, we'll be right here in the shade. Drink that water, girl. It's a hot day. Yeah, mommy, it's hot. All right, so we are currently taking a chill break. Nola, nah. Nola is extremely hot. It is a hot day out, y'all. I'm giving her food right now. We just had some water and a pup cup, so she is like extremely happy right now. You want some more food? So I'm actually about to go get in the drink line because they've got 2 free tokens for 2 free drinks. So I'm excited for that. Nola is doing a great job with all the rest of the dogs. So we're gonna stand in line and get a cute drink. And yes, I'm excited.
performing until 1
so cute.
All right?
Hi, Mommy. Stop, Nola, stop. Stop, stop, stop. Alright, so right now we're just pretty much cooling off. There's a bunch of interactions with the dogs going on. Just cooling off, getting a nice little breeze. And yes. Thank you. Say hi. You guys, he is only 10 months old and he just tried talking to Nola. Nola barked at him. It's okay, Mommy. It's okay. We're just really having a cool down moment. It's hot outside and we're just enjoying ourselves. I'm trying to keep her hydrated because it is very hot outside, so we gotta stay hydrated, Mommy, right? Alright, what's up? So we just left the Puppy Fest and it was definitely a success. I have to say I would rate that 10 out of 10. Would recommend to take anybody's dogs there. Such a good time. We walked literally around the corner because the Food Works has so much to offer. And there's seating here. So we're just really taking a cool off break before we hit the road and head back home. I was gonna get her a pup cup, but it turns out they already had pup cups here, which is great. So I'm happy about that for her. She had a really good time. Nola was enjoying herself, but she did not like that pool. I tried to put her in the pool to cool her down, but she was like, I'm not having it, Mom. Not having it. Say hi. You ready to go home? You ready to go home, Mommy? You meet a bunch of friends today? Bunch of furry friends. Barking at people. We took some pictures, y'all. Let me show y'all the pictures we took. Alright, y'all. So these are the pictures we took. It's so cool, but she did a decent job. So I'm gonna be able to hold that up in the house. This literally made my entire day. I don't know why I'm so emotional, y'all, but I feel so happy about bringing Nola here today. We're going to the car, Mommy. Right here. Okay, y'all, we are back in the car. Let me scoot back some. We're back in the car. That was so much fun. I had so much fun with Nola. I think I had more fun than Nola. And I don't know what it is, but y'all, I'm so emotional. I don't know why. Like, the pictures we took, Nola, y'all should have saw how happy Nola was this morning. I think I'm just like Gary Cole, my cycle. But I just really enjoyed that moment I had with my dog. Did you have a good time? Oh my gosh, why am I crying? Oh my gosh, I don't know why I'm so emotional. I felt like that was like a pivotal moment for me and Nola. But I'm so glad you had a good time. Y'all should have just saw how excited she was this morning. I told her we're going to the Pup Fest. And her running around like, ah, like a little kid, like just excited to go to like the park or excited to go on a field trip. That's how it was this morning. And I was like, I know we're not there right at 10, but we're gonna get there right at 11. And as soon as we parked, she was like just so anxious to get out there, and she's interacting with all the other dogs. And I'm just so happy we did this. I wanted to do it for her. You ready to go home? Oh man. Thank y'all so much for tuning in to this video. Nola and I had a grand time. I appreciate y'all so much for watching. If you like this video, please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more cool videos. I'm just so overjoyed today. I think it's also probably my love for Saturdays. I love Saturday mornings, Saturday afternoons, like just having things to do. And this was something I really wanted to do for Nola today, instead of her just sitting in the house all day. I know I was gone all day yesterday for class and for dance, but I wanted to do this for her. And I think she really enjoyed herself. She's gonna have a huge nap when we get home, but I'm so happy. I'm just filled with joy right now. And it could be that I'm coming on my cycle soon, but like I'm just really happy. And yes, so thank you guys so much for tuning into this video. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. I hope you guys enjoyed. See you guys in the next one. Say bye, mommy. Say bye. See you later. Okay.